Hi folks, and welcome to this video presentation of this brand new 2020. It's a 221 RBS. It's got that nice slide out. It's a Heartland product owned by Thor, and it's one of our many products that we carry that we can get a lot of viewing out there. We have a great big show circuit, and Sundance is one of our great products. But let me show you the inside and we'll finish on the outside. Once again, what I like about this is it gives you a very open setup and all that for a couple people that want to be in here and have plenty of room. If they love to cook, look at all this space they have inside the kitchen there on both sides of the oven range top. You got a nice big sink in there, so you got a lot of room to prepare foods and just have a great size party in here and a lot of open space inside. People can be sitting on the bed. You got all the space in the U-shaped booth here too as well. But I like it because it's got a lot of natural light. These windows from Sundance are very large in size. It's aluminum frame construction. It's got a big tall archway ceiling in here, which also makes it a little bit stronger and more rigid. And it's also got more open space for extra things. They put a huge big television in here that you can see from the bed area, and has obviously an entertainment center that plays DVDs and CDs and all those good components. You've got map lights, reading lights I should say, and you've got your USB connections up in there for your smart devices and everything. You've got good storage ability up and through here, as well as nice tall jacket coat closet space there. And then also underneath here, the booth, there is going to be access there on both sides to kind of get storage, and you can also lift up the cushions if you had to get up underneath there as well too. Your little light up here, that's going to be nice, a little more residential look to it. If you look at the refrigerator and all the sort of areas here to get to your appliances, everything's kind of pretty easy to get to there. You're going to have your drawers out here, nice little divider for that. Also got a nice deeper one down there for some pots maybe, and then all that storage under counter as well, with two big windows, not just one, but also windows here, so when you're in the kitchen you can see what's going on maybe outside under the patio awning. You got all this space inside here as well, and then you've got all these areas here which are real nice for storage too. So I like that. Makes it really nice. You can see the hinges are more of a professional grade, upgraded type of cabinet design there. And in the bathroom there, they've got a nice wraparound shower and your little sink on the side, medicine cabinet, nice skylight for extra headroom and everything else, as well as natural light coming through. So makes it real nice for that way. And I tell you, it's a great floor plan. Let me show you on the outside. Grab handle for getting in and out over there. Has custom wheels. You've got the pre-friction door hinge on that, which makes it real nice for not blowing in your face when you're trying to go inside and out of it. Your awning is going to be a push button awning, and it does have, let's see here, your speakers on the outside as well too for music and all that. You've got your spare tire. It is going to be pre-wired for a backup camera, which is also pretty nice to have on your smart device and all that too. If you want to buy a camera and have that installed, we can do that for you. The spray port, your black tank flush and city water, cables, and also satellite right here, easy to get to. Your pull valves are really easy to get to. It's a nice height in here for the ground clearance I like. It also has a heavy duty system on the slide, which is going to be a rack and pinion slide system, which is a little bit heavier duty, and I like that part of it as well. 4 scissor jacks, all 4 corners. You got a solar pre-wiring here and there for that universal plug-in for like a portable solar panels. Look at all that space in there, nice open area for more storage. You got a place for 2 batteries down below, and also access here to your tanks if you want to gain access to those. Dual 5-gallon tanks, really nice to have. They're nice and easy to carry, so you can kind of have those with your home grill. It makes it really nice and universal that way. Your power tongue jack lighted, makes it nice. And this is a cap in here, which is a one-piece cap design, which makes it really fantastic for durability and strength. It does have some accent lighting around here, and it is painted as opposed to infused, so it should last longer for you in the long run. Once again, at Guarantee here, we specialize in having a great deal of selection of products, so give us a call at the end of that video. You'll see a phone number. Give me a call if you have any more questions. I'd love to help with you. I've been here over 28 years, and again, at Guarantee, we'd love to be able to help our clients out, get out and enjoy this beautiful weather of ours. And any more questions, remember at Guarantee in Junction City, it's an RV show every day.